Rail gauge. Today we will discuss about rail gauge. The clear minimum horizontal distance between the inner faces of the two rails forming a track is known as rail gauge. There are three types of gauge used in Indian Railways: broad gauge, meter gauge, narrow gauge. Broad gauge. In broad gauge, the clear distance between the inner faces of two parallel rails forming a track is 1676 mm. It is the broadest gauge of the world. Other countries using broad gauge are Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Brazil, Argentina, etc. Suitability. It is suitable when the funds available for the project are sufficient and when the prospects of revenue are very bright. This gauge is used for tracks in plain areas which are densely populated, that is, for routes of maximum traffic intensities at places which are centers of industry and commerce. Meter gauge. In meter gauge, the clear distance between the inner faces of two parallel rails forming a track is 1000 mm. Other countries in which it is used are France, Switzerland, Argentina, etc. Its suitability. It is suitable when funds available for project is inadequate and when prospect of revenue are not very bright. This gauge is used for tracks in underdeveloped areas and in interior areas where traffic intensity is small and prospects for future development are not very bright. Narrow gauge. In narrow gauge, the clear distance between the inner faces of two parallel rails forming a track is either 762 mm or 612 mm. Other countries in which it is used are Britain, South Africa, etc. This is used in hilly and very thinly populated areas. Its suitability. When the construction of a track with wider gauge prohibited due to the provision of sharp curves, steep gradients, narrow bridges and tunnels, etc. When the prospects of revenue are not very bright. Now we will learn factors affecting choice of a gauge. Traffic condition. If the intensity of traffic on the track is likely to be more, a wider gauge is suitable. Development of poor areas. The narrow gauge are laid in certain parts of the world to develop a poor area and thus link the poor area with the outside of developed area. Cost of track. If the available fund is not sufficient, a meter gauge or a narrow gauge is referred. Speed of movement. If higher speeds are to be attained, the broad gauge track is preferred to the meter gauge or narrow gauge track. Nature of the country. In mountainous country, it is advisable to have a narrow gauge of the track since it is more flexible and can be laid to a smaller radius on the curves. If you liked the video, please like and share.